So if you ever had this issue with your Toyota Sienna not being able to open the door, it might be the fuel door interlock, which mine you can tell because I have this. You can hear the interlock inside the door, which holds it open. So if I pull this, then I pull the door handle, then it'll open right away. And sure enough, this is what catches. But sometimes this thing can get stuck. So I use a little thing of Marvel mystery oil and this nice little thingy here, and I apply it in there. Then you just apply it liberally in there. And make sure you work it in. This little dropper's great too. Then right here, even if you don't have a broken fuel door, what you'll want to do is lubricate these hinges here, because mine had a little bit of corrosion in there, and that's what caused this thing to get stiff and break. And then also another spot I like to put it is inside of here. Cool thing about this little tiny dropper is it can go down cables and stuff fairly easy. Maybe loosen it up a bit. But yeah, I'm gonna end up replacing this fuel door. But I think just with that, voila, it held the interlock down far enough so it didn't catch. But yeah, I'll definitely be needing a new fuel door soon, and then I'll fix it. Also, the cool thing about this little dropper guy is you can get inside these hard to reach areas. You can put lubricant inside without making too much of a mess. But you can put whatever kind of oil you want. It comes in like a 10-pack or a 5-pack on Amazon. I'll mark a link for it. It's pretty cool. I like these things. I fill them up with different oils and use them. I also use it for like Lucas oil as assembly lube for motors. It's pretty cool.